Okay, repairing a kid's motorcycle here, and I want to show you something that's very common, not just with kids' bikes, but with all bikes. When you deal with these smaller wheels, this problem seems even more pronounced. If we look up here at the tube, you can see that it's at an angle. This is caused by the front brake allowing the tire to slip on the rim. There's no rim lock installed on this wheel. If I go on around, you can see absolutely no rim lock to tighten the tire bead against the rim. One thing that's done here that is right, you'll notice that the nut was loosened on the valve corp. This allows you to see when this is occurring, and you can deflate the tire and rotate the tire backwards and apply the brake, and in most cases you can get that tube straight again. If that nut is tightened down, when the tire moves, it will literally shear the tube from the valve stem. That's why you don't want to use these nuts. They're made simply for selling inner tubes, unfortunately. Let's move to the back here, and what we see here is this is a properly installed situation. The nut can be used for changing the tube, but it's pushed back up against the cap. You can see if something happens, or if this tire goes flat, it won't tear the stem off of the tube because it has that little bit of forgiveness with the motion of the stem. If we come around, you can see that a rim lock was installed in the back, which was a really good thing. This will prevent this tire from spinning and shearing off that nut. This allows you to run lower tire pressures, and with a bike with limited suspension travel, it needs everything it can get. A little forgiveness to the terrain to allow that back tire to hook up.